All right, lads and lasses, thinking about taking up golf? Brilliant. Reaching 60 doesn't mean slowing down, it means it's time for new adventures. Golf is a game for everyone, regardless of age or ability. It's one of the few sports you can enjoy throughout your life, and trust me, it only gets better with age. Now it's your turn to have some fun. Golf is your ticket to a world of fresh air, exercise, and camaraderie. So grab yourself a cuppa, settle in, and let's tee off on this exciting new chapter. Now, I know there are a lot of misconceptions about golf floating about. Some folks think it's too expensive, too difficult, or too time-consuming. But don't let those myths stop you from giving it a go. Golf doesn't have to break the bank. From second-hand clubs to municipal courses, you can tailor your golfing experience to suit your budget. It's a sport that welcomes players of all ages and fitness levels. You don't need to be a marathon runner to enjoy a round of golf. It's never too late to learn a new skill, challenge yourself, and make some fantastic memories along the way. Now, I hear you saying, Rick, I'm not as young as I used to be. Can I really handle all that walking and swinging? And my answer is a resounding yes. Golf is about finesse, strategy, and a good bit of fresh air. Think of it as a scenic stroll with a purpose. Plus, many courses offer golf buggies for those who prefer a ride. Golf can actually improve your health and well-being. The gentle exercise, fresh air, and mental stimulation can work wonders for your body and mind. Before you hit the course, it's always a good idea to do a bit of stretching. Just some gentle rotations and stretches to loosen up those muscles. The beauty of golf is that it can be as challenging or as relaxed as you make it. You set the pace. Start with shorter rounds or try a par 3 course. These courses offer a shorter, more manageable game, perfect for beginners. Now let's address the elephant on the green, the cost. Yes, golf can be expensive if you let it, but it doesn't have to be. Start by looking for second-hand clubs. You can find some real bargains out there, often in excellent condition. Local golf clubs and sporting goods stores often have used equipment for sale at a fraction of the price of new gear. When it comes to courses, municipal courses are your best bet for affordable rounds. These publicly owned courses offer great value for money. Many courses also offer discounts for seniors, twilight rates, and loyalty programs. Consider joining a golf club. Membership can actually save you money in the long run, especially if you plan to play regularly. Look for online deals and coupons. Websites and apps offer discounts on everything from green fees and equipment to lessons and travel packages. Time? That precious commodity. I know you're busy enjoying your retirement, spending time with loved ones, and pursuing other interests. But trust me, you can fit golf into your life, even if it's just for a few hours a week. Golf is incredibly flexible. You can play a quick 9 holes, squeeze in a round on a weekday morning, or just hit a bucket of balls at the driving range. Start with shorter rounds or even just a visit to the driving range. This allows you to get a feel for the game without a major time commitment. Think of golf as an opportunity to spend quality time with friends and family. Invite your partner, your kids, or your grandkids for a round. So make time for golf, even if it's just a little bit here and there. You won't regret it. Right, lads and lasses, let's talk about gear. Now don't worry, you don't need to remortgage the house to get kitted out for the golf course. Start with a few essentials: a driver, a putter, and maybe a couple of irons and a wedge. Look for second-hand clubs. You can find some right bargains out there. Clubs in brilliant nick at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Next up, comfy shoes. You'll be spending a good few hours on your feet, so good footwear is crucial. Finally, a few other essentials: a golf bag, some golf balls, and some tees. And a handy tip: a golf glove will give you a better grip on the club. Right, you're nearly ready to hit the course. Now let's find you a course that feels like home. Don't be intimidated by those posh private clubs you see on the telly. Start with your local municipal courses. These are publicly owned courses that offer great value for money. If you're feeling a bit nervous, try a par 3 course. These courses are shorter and less challenging, perfect for beginners. And don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Chat with other golfers, check online reviews, or pop into your local golf shop for some insider tips. Once you've found a course you like, give them a ring or book a tee time online. Most courses have websites or apps where you can book your slot in advance. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a course that suits your skill level and budget. Start small, build your confidence, and enjoy the journey. Section 3. Golf Etiquette, a beginner's guide. Now, before you unleash that swing on the course, let's have a quick chat about golf etiquette. First things first, dress code. Most courses have a dress code, so it's best to check beforehand. Generally, smart casual attire is a safe bet. On the course, keep up the pace of play. If you're holding others up, be courteous and let them play through. After taking a shot, replace your divots and rake the bunkers. This helps to keep the course in tip-top condition for everyone. And always try to leave the green in the same condition you found it. If you've made a ball mark, repair it with a divot tool or tee. Finally, remember that golf is a game to be enjoyed. So relax, have fun, and don't be afraid to ask for help or advice from more experienced golfers. Section 1. Why lessons are your secret weapon. Now some might say, Rick, lessons at my age? Isn't it a bit late for that? Listen up, my friend, it's never too late to learn something new. A good instructor will teach you the fundamentals of the game: grip, stance, swing, and help you avoid picking up any bad habits along the way. Think of golf lessons as an investment in your game, your enjoyment, and your health. It's amazing how much difference a few lessons can make to your swing, your confidence, and your overall enjoyment of the game. Plus, it's a chance to meet new people and share your passion for this grand old sport. A good instructor will be patient, encouraging, and make learning fun. Section 2. Practice makes perfect, or at least progress. Now, lessons are a brilliant start, but the real magic happens when you put in the practice. Even short bursts of practice can make a world of difference to your game. Regular practice helps to build muscle memory, improve your swing, and boost your confidence on the course. Start with the basics. Practice your grip, stance, and swing in your garden or even in your living room. When you're ready to venture out, head to the driving range. It's a great place to loosen up, work on your swing, and try out different clubs without the pressure of a real game. Remember, practice should be enjoyable, not a chore. So find what works for you, set realistic goals, and celebrate your progress no matter how small. Find your golfing tribe. Golf is more fun with friends. Join a club or group to enhance your experience. Share laughs, offer encouragement, and celebrate victories together. Many clubs have senior groups for a supportive environment. Approach others at the range or course. Most are friendly and welcoming. Create lasting memories and friendships. Embrace the social side of golf. Now let's talk about something near and dear to all of us as we get older: our health. Golf is more than just a game. It's a tonic for the body and mind. The physical benefits are undeniable. Gentle walking, swinging, and fresh air boost your cardiovascular system, improve balance, and strengthen muscles. It's low-impact exercise ideal for seasoned folks. A typical round covers 5 to 7 kilometers, burning calories and boosting metabolism. Golf also improves flexibility and range of motion, crucial for maintaining independence as you age. Forget creaky bones. Golf keeps you limber and energized. Golf isn't just physical, it's a mental workout too. Every shot requires focus, planning, and problem solving. It's like chess with fresh air and scenic views. Golf improves cognitive function and reduces stress. Enjoy the game and keep your mind sharp. Now, I'm not promising you the fountain of youth here, but studies have shown that golfers tend to live longer and healthier lives. That's right, folks. Golf can actually add years to your life. The combination of physical activity, social interaction, and mental stimulation creates a powerful cocktail for longevity. So, when you think about it, golf isn't just a hobby, it's an investment in your future health and happiness. And the best part is, it's never too late to reap the rewards. Whether you're just starting out at 60 or you've been playing for years, every round of golf is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So there you have it. Golf isn't just a game, it's a lifestyle choice that can transform your health, your mind, and your social life. Now let's talk about the social side of golf, because believe me, it's one of the best parts. Golf courses are like magnets for friendly faces and good conversation. Think of it as your own personal social club, but with fresh air and a lot less gossip. From the moment you step onto the green, you're surrounded by people who share your passion for the game. Whether it's a friendly chat on the tee box, a bit of banter during the round, or a celebratory drink in the clubhouse afterwards, golf offers endless opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Golf transcends age barriers, bringing people together. Play alongside youngsters and seasoned veterans. Share stories, offer encouragement, and learn. It's a living history lesson with birdies and bogeys. Build bridges across generations. Golf enriches life in countless ways. So, there you have it. Golf isn't just a game. It's a passport to a world of social connections, shared experiences, and lasting memories. It's a chance to step out of your comfort zone, meet new people, and create a network of friends who share your passion for the game. And the best part is, it's never too late to join the party. Whether you're retired, semi-retired, or still going strong in the workforce, golf welcomes you with open arms. So what are you waiting for? Grab your clubs, book a tee time, and get ready to experience the social magic of this wonderful sport. You'll be amazed by the friendships you forge, the stories you'll hear, and the joy that comes from being part of such a welcoming and inclusive community. Golf, it's more than just a game, it's a way of life. Well, folks, we've reached the 19th hole of our little chat. Taking up golf at 60 or beyond is a brilliant idea. Remember those initial doubts? Too old, not fit enough, too expensive, no time? We've kicked those to the curb. Golf is for everyone, regardless of age or experience. It's a sport that welcomes you with open arms. So, what's stopping you? Take that first step and give it a go. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to teeing off on a brand new chapter in your life. I hope this little chat has inspired you to dust off those dreams, grab your clubs or borrow a set, and head to your nearest golf course. Remember, Golf isn't just about the game. It's about embracing a new adventure, challenging yourself and enjoying the journey. It's about connecting with like-minded people, sharing stories and creating memories that will make you smile for years to come. And who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent you never knew you had. Golf is full of surprises, and the only way to find out what you're capable of is to give it a go. So go on, take the plunge. The green is calling, and a whole new world of golfing adventures awaits. See you on the fairway. And remember, keep your head down and your spirits high. Happy golfing, everyone.